simple vanilla sponge. So I just thought, because recently, as you may have seen, I've done a chocolate cake, but this time I'm just going to do the sponge, no icing, just normal sponge. So if you have any if you can't have the icing or something like that, you can just have the sponge, which is very nice on its own. Also, the shout out from last week's video is Sophie Selena Stavison. I think that's how you say your name. It's quite a complicated name, but thank you so much for commenting on that video, and I hope you enjoy this one. So don't forget to follow my Instagram, it's baking.with.eva, and my TikTok account is bakingwitheva. Also, at the end of the video, if you want to get a shout out in next week's video, then don't forget to comment the secret word, which you'll find at the end of the video. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need are 125 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1.5 tablespoons of milk, and 2 eggs right here. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make these cupcakes is sieve into this bowl the self-raising flour, the caster sugar, and the bicarbonate of soda. We're just going to sieve this in like normal, and then we're going to add in our butter and our eggs. I have cracked these into a bowl just because it's easier to put them in, and make sure you have not got any shells in. So there we go. And then I'm going to put this under our mixer. Bring that across. And then we're going to mix. Okay, at this stage it has whipped up very nicely, and we're now going to add in all of the milk and the vanilla extract. If you want to know, these pots are literally just extra takeaway pots that my mum and dad have washed up. So they're reusable, and they're just really good for me putting all my little ingredients in. So yeah. Now we're going to mix this again. Start on a minimum speed, because then otherwise the mixture won't mix as well at the start, and also the milk is going to go flying up, and you do not want that. Okay, so the mixture has now finished. I've just grabbed a spatula just to make sure everything is well incorporated into the mixture. I've also got my 2 spoons right here. I also got a tray full of cupcake cases. I just have some nice colourful ones. And I also have my oven preheated to 170 degrees. So I am now just going to take all the mixture off of this paddle, and just to make sure we get all the mixture as possible, because you don't want to waste mixture, because that's just a waste of food and resources. So yeah. Okay, so just to make sure everything is clipped around the sides, because as you know, there might be some extra butter lurking at the bottom or on the sides of your bowl. So you just want to make sure that is still incorporated into the mixture, because you don't want just a lump of butter or sugar or whatever, because that won't be very nice in your cupcakes. So now I will grab my spoons, and I'm going to fill these up. So you'll probably only need about this much, so a whole tablespoon in each mixture, as they do rise really nicely. And so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I now have the mixture in the cases, and these are going to go into the already preheated oven for 22 minutes. Alexa, set time for 22 minutes.
22 minutes, starting now.
Hi guys, it's Eva. I'm editing this right now, and I just wanted to say that I forgot to say what the oven's preheated at. So the oven will be needing to be preheated at 170 degrees, and that's Fahrenheit. So yeah, let's carry on baking.
So ta-da! Here are the finished products. I am very happy with them. They have leveled out very nicely, so you can ice them on top. They look amazing, smell amazing as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in for next week because I know what I'm doing and I'm very excited about this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it as well. Also, if you do make these cupcakes, tag me on Instagram at baking.with.eva. Also, don't forget that the special word to get a shout out in next week's video is vanilla. So comment that down below and you'll get a shout out. Also, I may be doing a live stream soon. So just if you want to see me do a live stream, just keep in touch by commenting or DM me on Instagram to say what you want to see and when you want to see it by. And also, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.